want to talk today about chamois versus towels. It's a gloomy 52 degrees here in Michigan. Rained last night and left the motorcycle outside. I like to try to, get the water off and clean it up before I bring it inside when I do something silly like that. Just helps out, keeps the rust off, makes it nice. Well, anyways, so people have had the argument before about chamois versus towels, and I'm pretty partial to the chamois. It does pretty good stuff, but it soaks it up pretty good. I'll show you what I mean here if you've never used one before. Look at that. I mean, it just soaks it right up. Minimal effort. Another reason I like using these is it's dedicated for vehicles. Towel you might use, coming out of the shower, your wife using it, your daughter or whatnot, and they're getting shampoo and fragrances and all sorts of stuff on the towel. Really never know how it's going to affect. It might do something funny to the chrome or whatever, you never know. Get the pipes clean, man. Them are expensive. That's really all it takes. I mean, I'm done with the whole bike already. Only had to wring it out 2 or 3 times. Works out nice. I mean, it really got everything. Let me get this for you. Just kind of walk around. I mean, there's a few little droplets hanging, but for the most part, she was saturated, and it only took about 5-6 minutes to get everything wiped down. Scooter, you're next. So the chamois is pretty good for doing exactly this, just after a wash, or if you want to wipe down the rainwater after you left it outside, like me, doing stupid things when I should have just brought it inside. It helps out quite a bit just to keep it nice, no water spots. Water spots hold dirt, get into your paint, cause issues. These things are at every auto parts store. You can buy them on eBay. They're not expensive. You can go as far as buying one for your vehicles and one for your motorcycles or your jet skis or boats or whatever. Or you can just buy one and use it for everything. That's what I do. It still works every time. Great. I'm happy with this product. So that's pretty much it. We just wiped down the bike as quick as I could. I mean, I really wasn't hustling, just moving around it, picking up water droplets, and it cleaned it up really good. This bike's a 1996, and you see how well it looks just from routine maintenance. Just wiping it down when it gets wet, bringing it in the garage, changing the oil when you're supposed to, changing the tires when you're supposed to, all that good stuff. This channel is all about maintenance, maintenance for your everyday life. And this type of thing is what I'm just trying to bring to you guys, is show you things that I like to use that work out best for me. These chamois here, when you put those away, by the way, make sure they're damp, they're not dry and brittle. I've used this for like 7 years, this exact one, so it has withstood the test of time, and it still works great. Let me know what you guys would like to see more of. Reviews on tools that I use, products that I like to use, different techniques and getting some of the jobs done even. It's going to help me out if you let me know what you would like to see. And it's going to help you out too, because I'll be able to give you a detailed explanation of a how-to, you know, to take care of your issues. And I'm more than happy to do it too. If there's any other thing that you'd like to see, just let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please hit the like and subscribe. Thanks.